Imagine landing in a new nation, asking for directions, and realizing you don't understand the language. Awkward, right? Imagine simply putting in your earbuds and speaking normally while they instantly translate everything. That is the secret behind today's AI translation earbuds. These tiny devices function as personal interpreters, transforming real-time discussions, calls, and even meetings into stress-free communication. They are transforming the way we engage with the world through vacation excursions, business deals, and language learning. In this video, we'll list the top AI translation earbuds that make multilingual communication feel effortless, smart, and unexpectedly enjoyable. Let's start at number 7 and work our way up. Number 7. Seisan. These AI translation earbuds seem less like headphones and more like a small personal interpreter that you can keep in your pocket. The unique feature is real-time, simultaneous translation. You simply speak normally, and within a second or two, the other person understands your words in their language. It seems shockingly smooth and natural, making travel, professional meetings, and even casual conversations with people from foreign countries much less awkward. What's nice is how adaptable they are. There are several translation modes available based on the situation. You may let them detect conversations hands-free, share one earbud with someone for fast back-and-forth discussions, or even use your phone to translate photos and texts. They also work during audio and video calls, which is very useful when communicating with clients or friends in other countries. With support for 164 languages and no subscriptions, you can simply download the app and start using it. Sound quality is another great surprise. The 13mm drivers produce crisp vocals and strong bass, while ENC noise cancellation reduces background noise, ensuring that calls and music sound clean. Furthermore, they can be used as regular earphones for music and phone calls, eliminating the need to carry additional devices. The battery life is also impressive, lasting all day with ease, and the LED display keeps you updated. The only drawback? You still rely on the app and the internet for full functionality, and translation accuracy varies in noisy environments. Nonetheless, they are quite useful in terms of convenience and variety. Number 6. Cognac. These AI translation earphones feel like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie, but in a very realistic, everyday sense. Instead of pulling out your phone and fussing with apps, you simply turn them on and begin conversing. They support real-time two-way translation in up to 164 languages, and switching between modes is seamless. Whether you're having a face-to-face conversation, sharing an earbud with someone, making a video call, or even interpreting text with your camera, there's a mode for everything. It's surprisingly useful for traveling, attending meetings, or learning a new language without feeling confined behind a screen. The open-ear design is another significant advantage because nothing rests deep in your ears. They feel lighter and more comfortable for long sessions while still allowing you to hear what's going on around you. That's fantastic for outdoor hikes or commuting, but it means you won't get complete noise isolation in loud environments. The huge 14.2mm drivers provide solid sound quality with clear vocals and balanced audio for music and calls. They can also be used as regular Bluetooth headphones, eliminating the need to carry multiple devices. Calls are clear, the Bluetooth 5.4 connection is stable, and the battery easily lasts several days with the case. The only caveat is that you'll need the associated software and the internet for translation. But once set up, everything works perfectly. Overall, they're functional, comfy, and surprisingly adaptable for everyday use. Number 5. iAmJoy. These iAmJoy AI translation earphones feel like a little travel companion you didn't realize you needed. Instead of staring at translation software or passing your phone back and forth, simply click them on and speak normally. They provide real-time two-way translation across 163 languages and hundreds of dialects, and the response time is fast enough that discussions do not feel awkward or delayed. It's the kind of thing that makes ordering food, getting directions, and chatting during meetings much less stressful. What stands out the most is how versatile they are. There's free talk for automatic translation, a mode where just one person uses the phone, photo translation for signs or menus, voice notes that convert speech to text, and even audio or video call translations. It's not only a translator, they also function as standard Bluetooth earbuds for music and calls, providing good sound and a stable connection. The open-ear clip-on design is lightweight and comfy, allowing you to wear it for hours while still hearing your surroundings, which is perfect for outdoor activities but does not provide much noise reduction in loud environments. The battery life is adequate for daily use, and the charging case will keep you going for an entire day. The only minor drawbacks are reliance on the app and a slightly shorter single-use period. They are, however, remarkably useful in terms of comfort, adaptability, and everyday convenience. convenience. Number 4. Buds. These Buds translation earbuds feel like the kind of device you pack in your bag and then wonder how you ever traveled without. You turn them on, begin speaking, and the AI translates in real time. With support for 164 languages and a lightning-fast response time, discussions feel natural rather than robotic or delayed. Whether you're asking for directions at an airport, interacting with overseas clients, or reading a menu in another language, they make the entire process easier and less unpleasant. They are more than just translators, which is why they are useful in everyday situations. You receive a 4-in-1 configuration that includes live translation, crisp phone calls, AI chat assistance, and regular music playback. The huge 16.2mm drivers produce full, rich sound, and the numerous microphones pick up your voice even in crowded areas such as cafes or offices. So they are equally effective for Zoom calls and playlists as they are for corporate meetings. The open ear design ensures long-term comfort and keeps you aware of your surroundings, making it ideal for commuting or going outside. The trade-off is reduced noise isolation in noisy environments. However, battery life is a significant advantage. The case keeps them going for days, and the LED display allows you to monitor power levels easily. Overall, they're convenient, adaptable, and designed for everyday usage. Number 3. JIJ. The JIJ AI translation earbuds seem more like a smart assistant than conventional headphones. The first thing you notice is how quickly they operate. You speak, and within a half second, your words are translated. No awkward pauses, no gazing at your phone while waiting. They are designed for real-world circumstances such as travel, foreign meetings, and chatting with people from various backgrounds, as they support 170 languages and accents. But what truly distinguishes them is that they go well beyond basic translation. These earbuds can convert discussions and meetings into clear, orderly notes instantly. They transcribe speech, categorize distinct speakers, and even generate summaries and mental maps. If you're someone who forgets things or despises taking notes, this is a lifesaver. Furthermore, there are built-in AI capabilities that evaluate context and make intelligent suggestions, similar to having a little coach assist you in saying things better during negotiations or presentations. Sound quality and connectivity are also excellent. Bluetooth 6.0 ensures a stable and quick connection, while ENC noise cancellation filters out background noise to keep calls and recording clear. The design is comfortable enough for extended usage, but as with other open or light-fit models, you won't get complete noise isolation in busy areas. Overall, they're powerful, feature-rich, and quite useful for productivity. They rely significantly on the app and compatible devices. They do, however, appear to be quite intelligent in terms of work and communication. Number 2. Uke. The Uke AI translation earphones appear to be a modest, ordinary gadget that silently performs far more than you might anticipate. Slip them on, launch the app, and start having real-time two-way conversations in up to 144 languages. It's surprisingly natural to talk normally, and the translation appears almost immediately. Whether you're traveling, negotiating for a job, or simply trying to understand a menu in another country, they eliminate the lost in translation stress. What makes them practical is their all-in-one strategy. They're more than simply translators. They also function as standard Bluetooth earphones for music and calls, and they offer live recording, simultaneous interpretation, and even translated video or audio calls via a simple web link. There's also an AI assistant and chat features built in, which provide some additional smart functionality for regular activities. The open-ear design makes things light and comfortable, allowing you to wear them for hours without feeling plugged up. You remain aware of your surroundings, which is ideal for strolling or commuting, but it does result in less noise blocking in loud places. The case's touchscreen is also convenient, allowing you to handle music, calls, and settings without having to dig through your phone. The battery life is impressive, and the sound is powerful thanks to the large drivers and EQ options. Overall, they're adaptable and simple to use with a plethora of features, but bear in mind that they rely largely on the app and aren't designed for complete noise isolation. Number 1. Pickle. These Pickle AI translation earbuds feel like the type of clever all-purpose device you throw in your backpack for the day and end up using far more than you thought. Turn them on and you can conduct real-time two-way conversations in up to 198 languages and accents. You simply speak naturally and the translation takes effect nearly immediately, making activities such as travel, meetings, or even informal conversations with someone from another nation feel effortless rather than stressful. They are also designed to manage a variety of scenarios. There are several options for face-to-face conversations, including video and voice calls, live recording, and even simultaneous interpretation. During calls, the software may generate a simple browser link, allowing the other person to easily join, which is quite useful. Furthermore, you get extras like AI chat and assistant features, making it more than just a translator but also a smart communication tool. They are adequate earbuds for everyday use. The 14.2mm drivers and several microphones provide great sound for music and calls, while the open-ear over-ear hook design keeps them lightweight and comfy. You You remain aware of your surroundings, which is ideal for walking or working out, but you don't obtain strong noise isolation in noisy areas. Battery life is excellent, lasting for lengthy periods of time with the case, and quick charging comes in handy when needed. Overall, they're adaptable, comfortable, and feature-rich, just prepared to rely on the app and sacrifice some noise reduction for comfort and awareness. And there you have it, the greatest AI translation earbuds that can practically transform language barriers into conversations. Whether you're traveling around the world, completing business deals, or simply learning something new, these smart little earbuds make communication faster, easier, and more natural. No more uncomfortable hand signals or translation applications that slow you down, just chat and connect. If this list helped you locate the right pair, please press that like button and subscribe to Legit Pick for more honest reviews and smart tech recommendations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.